This sourced 3 different turn signal flashers, and they all sound different. I'll show you. This is stock. Still works. I just wanted a spare before they're all gone. Potter and Brumfield. Make house stuff too. Okay. Now, Simon's. They make house stuff too. Really, I like that one. You can't really hear it too well. This one, new GM, made in Canada. Porter parts. Used to be Tyco, not anymore. Not horrible. Go back to stock. I like that better than the Simon's one. That's the best though. Weird. They all have a different note. Little differences no one ever will pick up on. Turn signal flashers. That's where it is on 88, 98 truck. Or 94 through 88, 88, 94, whatever. And the size difference. Stock. That's Simon's, and that's the question mark Canada with imported parts one. And look at the center tab too, it kind of sucks. That little cutout, it grabs real bad, it's real hard to remove. The stock one comes out like butter. Potter and Brumfield. Weird, huh? The first time that happened, I burned myself on that bulb, and now it's not working. You see these damn things so hard to get out. They put that weird tab on. So hard. Boom. Unnecessarily hard. Push it in too much. Oops. Boom. Boom. I don't know which one I like best. That's too quiet. That's the best, high pitched.